القرى ولتنذر أم القرى ومن حولها.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulullah Sayyidina Muhammad wa alihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inshallah, today we will talk about the Surah At-Takathur. At-Takathur pertains to the animosity, the competition among the people for the worldly gain. People strive and compete with each other, have hasad, and not only it going just a hasad, but going even to next level of harming each other to gain the world, the worldly thing, which they cannot keep it beyond their life in this world. One can take as much as he can in this world, but leave this world, or will die in this world and will leave everything behind, not able to take anything with him or her except the deeds, the good and bad deeds. The purpose of this life is not to earn and to accumulate the wealth of this world, but to think about what is going to be the Day of Judgment. What is the reward in the Day of Judgment? The Takathur starts with talking about, referring to this kind of competition which is in vain. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions that they will continue, means human beings will continue to have this competition of this temporary world until they go to the graves. However, it is certain that they will see the truth. The truth is the Day of Judgment. While we are going in a way, everybody is going in a way, there is a lot of technology around us, a lot of competition in terms of earning the riches of this world. Some people are going after, like, for example, bitcoins, and everybody is going after bitcoins. Someone is going after technology, having some technologies, gadgets. You know, I have this kind of a new version of iPhone. I have this kind of technology with me. And it is not stopping. You know, every day technology companies are pushing up new technologies. However, everyone thinks that they should have it, although the purpose of this technology is for maybe for business purpose. But even the children, whoever have no use, feels or compels that it is a need for them. It is not just that they have need, but they feel that they want to show off with their peers that they have it. It's a social status. With this kind of thinking, behavior, mentality, which is materialistic, showing one's importance, status in the society, attached to things which will diminish. For example, if you take even money or riches of this world or technology or any of this worldly thing, you can see that every few months, every year, technology is changing. And today you have certain version of iPhone, tomorrow, next year, it is obsolete. You have new version. So you cannot be proud of it. But what will remain is the good deeds for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And on that day, the person who has, the believer who has acted in this world, keeping in mind the reward of the Day of Judgment for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, will be the richest person. Will be the person who will feel completely satisfied with what he has sent forward for this day. So this is a surah that is reminding every time throughout the year, throughout the ages. This will continue. This is not something new. We're not talking about just this age where we have technology. In the ages before us also, they had other kind of worldly gains they were proud of. And going forward, even going into in next generation or so, people are talking about things that do not even exist, virtual things, and proud of earning houses and furnitures in the virtual, in meta, which does not even exist. They know that it doesn't exist. Where are you going? Where are we going? We are blinded by this competition of this world and left behind the purpose that we have been sent to worship Allah alone. We've been created for His worship alone, worship in the sense to obey His commandments and be able to help those who are in need. You have riches, you have money to spend on unnecessary things. What about those who are dying because they don't have food to feed even once a day? They cannot even eat full stomach even once a day. This is a test for both those who have money and those who do not have money, who will stay obedient to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, submissive to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in both the cases. Those who got the money are ignorant of those who did not have it, forgetting about, in this world, as you see, look at it, the conditions of these countries where people are displaced, people are going through devastating situations, who have no roof, no shelter in the cold, and no food. And on the other side, you can see people are spending unnecessarily money. And to be able to keep this social status, they have to earn even more through halal or haram way. And that time, they are so much blinded, they don't even care it is halal or haram, because they see it is a need. We have to feed, we have to support, we have the needs. We increase our standard of living in to the highest level. Even the kings of this older age did not have it. And we still are not satisfied. And we will never be satisfied going after the riches of the world, except, as the hadith of Rasulullah says, nothing will fulfill the belly of the son of Adam except the dirt of the grave. This is the only thing that will satisfy. And the smart one is the one who is going to look beyond this world and see what is hereafter, what is our purpose, and how should we live. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give the ability to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and live a life that will benefit us in the hereafter. Subhanakallah, bihamdika nastaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhaakumut takathur hatta zurtumul maqabir. كلا سوف تعلمون ثم كلا سوف تعلمون كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين لترون الجحيم ثم لترونها عين اليقين ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم.
ومن يطع الله والرسول فأولئك مع الذين أنعم الله عليهم من النبيين والصديقين والشهداء